In today's video, I'm doing a tablescape. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I am co-hosting a collaboration. And I am very excited to see how this one turns out. Now the title of this collaboration is Summer to Fall Transition Tablescape. And it is hosted by Candy at HandDesigns with CCW. And her co-hosts are Tammy at Me, Myself, and DIYing It. And myself, Stephanie, at Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. Now, if you haven't heard of any of these channels, I will have a link to the channels along with the playlist down below in the description box. Now, what we asked is that you must mention all the host channel in your video. You must be a subscriber to all the host channel. You must include the channel links and the playlist in your description box. And you must use the hashtag. And the hashtag that we're using is hashtag Summer to Fall Tablescape. Now, what all we asked you to do was to set a tablescape for fall and use the colors red, orange, and yellow. You can use 1, 2, or all 3, any style you want for your decor. Now, I'm looking forward to seeing what each person did. Now, please remember to go to the playlist and check out all the other participants. I'm excited today. So if you're interested in seeing what I did for this collaboration, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, we're going to start here. The placemat is kind of reddish burgundy that was purchased at Walmart. The wooden charger was purchased from the Dollar Tree. The orange plate was purchased from At Home years ago. The burgundy saucer, that was a thrift find, and the small plate in the center, it was purchased at Ross last year. Now, as you know that all the settings are the same except for the little center plates. This one has the different pumpkin design. It also has the yellow saucer that was thrifted. Now, trying to do them all the same. They all have the same foundation. So here is the other plate. The pumpkins in the middle are different on each plate. And here's the fourth one. Now the orange wine glass, that was a thrift find. And they're all paired with a beautiful burnt orange napkin that was an eBay purchase. And the beautiful napkin ring is from Pure One. It was a thrift find years ago, but it is from Pure One. I thought it was beautiful for fall. And then my lovely centerpiece, the runner, is on. That runner came from Big Lots years and years ago. The thankful sign came from Big Lots last year, I believe. And then I have my 3 metal pumpkins. Those were thrift finds that I've had for years. And inside each pumpkin, I've included the pumpkins with the floral design on them from the Dollar Tree. So I think my table came out really pretty this year. The only thing new on this table are the small decorative pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. Everything else on this table I already had in my stash. So I really enjoyed doing this tablescape. I wanted to make it bright and colorful for fall. So if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in your comments down below. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying you be blessed.